Good morning, students and viewers. Today's topic is about superstition and false ideas. हिंदी में बोला जाता है कोई का अंदाज से विश्वास करते हैं सब गिरती उसका तरफ से बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ होता है. ये बिल्ली क्रॉस किया तो सब वापस आता है, ऐसा किया तो हाथ पीछे से हाथ मारेगा तो ऐसा होता है, नींबू हाथ में दिए तो ऐसा होता है. हिंदी में ऐसा कोई है और अंग्रेजी में भी मलयालम में भी अंधविश्वासंगल मलयालത്തിൽ വിശ്വാസവും തെറ്റിദ്ധാരണകളും superstition and false ideas. Dear students and viewers, although we are educated, but superstition and false ideas still remain in our mind and thought. Now, what is the meaning of education? Through education, we are eradicate false ideas, superstition from our mind. I have seen in North India many people blindly believe. Suppose they are going to office, a cat is crossed off the road, they return home. What they say is, if I go to office, something will happen. It's a superstition. Suppose somebody is going, your friend or somebody, person behind clapping the hand, that person thinks will not be in positive way, something wrong. So he will be in an unhappy mood. So this type of questions, nothing inside. Through education, every false idea, superstition, completely eradicated. Some people are afraid to go to graveyard or cemetery during night time. This says ghost and spirit moving in the graveyard at midnight. Nothing is there. After burying the dead body in the cemetery or graveyard, after a few months, the phosphorus contained in our bone automatically come to the air. During the time, atmosphere temperature and gets hot and spark automatically get fire. But in the daytime happen, but due to sunlight, we are not able to see that. That phosphorus contained in our bone automatically come up there, then automatically they spark and produce fire. So those who are staying nearby the yard, they believe tonight ghost or spirit has come to the cemetery or graveyard. So they close the door and windows. This is existing still in the world, all over the world. Even educated people also blindly believe superstition and falsehood. Nothing is like that. The high time we have to wipe out from our minds superstition and false ideas and see the brighter side of the life. See, so many things happen because of our superstition. Superstition will go on. If you think that, nothing will do. The cat crossed the road in search of food. Suppose I have seen in some other parts of India, a boy and girl is deeply loved. That one in a day, the boy offered a handkerchief to that girl. They believe that their love relationship will be completely spoiled, root out. So what is the meaning of handkerchief? That is sign of love. So the girl accepts that handkerchief, their love will be completely root out. Love failure. These are superstition. So many things. Dead man walking on the road, dead man coming in the midnight, moving around. So many things there. The Saint Bruno discovered earth is round. Many people didn't agree. That is against the will of God. Earth never round. He proved it. Even Catholic Pope also was against this theory. Earth never will be round. So, what happened? No? Due to this superstition, this is a fact. Bruno was burned to death. So, Jala diya अंगार में. After many years, that existed, earth is round. Then another scientist came, Galileo. He discovered earth is rotating against sun. So many people got objection. Earth never rotates or moves. Earth still stands still. He said it is moving. He was arrested, and lot of people told him Galileo is a madman. Earth never moves, never rotates. Then his disciple friends told, what is to be done? Then he, afraid of, because Bruno burned to death, so that experience in the brain, he completely corrected theory for the sake of his life. He corrected, sorry, earth is not moving, sun is moving. His friends are, because earth and sun does not know able to read and all. Earth is still moving from the right beginning and it will rotate. That's a superstition. Still, these two facts, but this scientist, Bruno, still remembered the scientist, unnecessarily burned to death, because he discovered the fact earth is round. Galileo discovered earth is rotating. These are superstition. But these two facts are still there. Earth is round, earth is rotating. So all this, because superstition, even religious people also in those days not believing. But in still now there are many people still carrying superstition, false ideas in their brain, although educated. What is the meaning of education? Education means eradicate darkness from your brain and replace light and heat in your brain. Become a great person and a gentleman. Try to avoid, just destroy every sort of superstition from your mind and thought. See the brighter side of life. So universe is full of energy and bright will have a nice day for you.